I just did a review on the BAUER impact wrench, and I got it tool only, no battery, no charger, and that one was $65. And then I wanted to buy the BAUER hammer drill kit, which comes with a charger and a battery, and that was $49.50. So I wanted to combine these tools, because sometimes battery is more expensive than the tool altogether. So I bought this as a best deal for me at this time, and I'm gonna use impact driver with this battery, and I have also some other batteries with different tools that I purchased earlier, 3 amps and 5 amps. So this is just good to have it, just in case that I have to use this in different locations. So impact driver is already reviewed, and this hammer drill is like I said, included with battery and a charger. Has a variable speed, has 3 different modes. Charger is there. Here is the battery, and comes with the manual and the device itself. So here is all what came in the box: manual, device itself, battery charger, and belt clip. Battery first need to be charged fully, and the green light is just telling us the charger is on. Flashing red light is charging, and I am now fully charged. And there is a hot and cold delay, and it's red flashing or problem with battery charger. Both of the lights, green and red, are flashing, but hopefully we will not need that. I just wanted to demonstrate that. So we'll just now attach the battery to the device and demonstrate it. Battery itself has an indicator how much is charged. It has 3 lights to show us, and once we connect the battery, here is control back and forth operation. In the middle is stopped, and we go backwards. Is a cool working light, and has 3 different modes, and we have adjustment for the speed. It is half-inch size. Like I said, I had this before, and I did a review a while ago. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll be able to see it. I wanted to buy one more just for me and my son to use it in different times, different locations. I like BAUER tools, affordable, good quality, good for households and small projects like I do. I recommend it. If you will have any questions or comments either on this hammer drill or the impact driver, I'll be more than glad to answer. Thank you for watching.